So I want to talk about learner drivers learning and the pressure they're put under by drivers behind them or side of them or from whatever direction, because what you've got to remember is there's going to be lots of learners watching this and there's going to be drivers watching at the same time, and it'll be interesting for you to put your comments below. I'll show you a quick clip in the next minute of a situation that crops up on a double mini roundabout, and our cars overtook us. So it was very interesting. But as a learner driver, you've got to kind of expect silly things around you, because it's like the L plate's like a magnet for silly drivers to try and overtake you in some strange places. And this video is a great example. But if you're a qualified driver and you watch this video and you're thinking, actually, I think they were right to overtake you there, then fine, put your comment below, because you've got to put yourself in the position as a learner. They're trying to learn the rules to do it correctly, and they're being overtaken in strange places, in the wrong lanes, dangerously, even getting bibbed from behind and saying, go on, get on with it. And all that's going to do is put the learner under lots of pressure. And 9 times out of 10, when they put lots of pressure, they'll either do something wrong, either kangaroo and stall, or roll back, or just panic at that point. So you're doing them no good. And what a qualified driver forgets is that at some point when they first started learning how to drive, that's how they was. So give them a bit of space, watch the video, and hopefully it'll open your eyes to what some people do, strange things. So I've stopped it there. You can see the arrows on the roundabout. Left goes left, right goes right. And my students gave way to cars on the right. You can't see them, but there's a couple of cars approaching who are not indicating. And the blue car behind is a little bit impatient, no indicator, going to the left lane and then speeding up and cutting across us. Bit uncalled for really. And then the silver car behind us puts the foot down to get past us, indicates to come back in. Bit risky, you know. What would we have done if we speeded up? So you've seen the video now. Put your comment below. Do you think the drivers were wrong? Do you think they were wrong to undertake and overtake? Do you reckon that was wrong? Because look at the arrows on the ground. It's quite clearly where them lanes were going, wasn't it? And do you think the learner was wrong to be on the road? I don't think they were wrong to be on the road. They were a little bit slow pulling off, but that's because they're learning. But they'll only get better. But it's not going to help them if people behind them are doing silly things. So be safe on the roads. And if you can take anything away from this, remember, give learners a bit of space, give them a chance to develop their skills. Safe driving. See you on the next video.